Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Installing the Stopper 2 with spacer. What comes in the box? Conduit spacer, Stopper 2 cover, hardware, and installation directions. Remove conduit inserts from spacer and trim off any sharp edges. Insert the solid knockout into the spacer when no exposed conduit is present. Install the conduit knockout when mounting around a smaller exposed pipe. Find center of pull station and measure 3 1/8 inch off to the side and mark. Do the same for the other side. From those dots, measure 2 inches going down and mark. Then measure 2.9 inches up and mark. Repeat for the other side. Drill marked holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. If using anchors, use a 1/4 inch drill bit. Fasten spacer to wall with the 4 provided number 10 3.5 inch long screws. Insert one cable end into the pocket on the inside of spacer. Hold the spacer against the wall and pull the cable to lock. Repeat for the other cable end. Close cover on spacer by aligning notches on cover with the slots on the spacer, and push on the bottom to close tightly. To activate cover with horn, remove the mylar tab and back out the locking screw. Slide horn switch over. Horn will sound. Tighten locking screw. To silence horn while tightening the locking screw, press and hold the switch. Test. Your Stopper 2 with spacer is now ready to protect.